In these precarious times when nothing feels safe or constant around us, what kind of spaces do we need to gently and persistently recreate, nurture, and hold? As artists, as arts organizations, as arts audiences, as citizens of a world in dangerous flux, how do we hold on to, offer, and share values of care, empathy, solidarity, and friendship? How do we still hold our ground, resisting all the forces that are against us? How do we hold our course, not knowing what the future holds? When we are constantly being asked to be faster, higher, stronger, better, often to the detriment of ourselves, our societies, our ecologies, and our planet. Pickle Factory Season 5 suggests we pause and hold space with and for each other and the world we can actually grow into. With gentleness, with grace, with generosity, with gusto. Pickle Factory Dance Foundation presents Season 5, Holding Space.